Hello everyone, it's Destiny. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we're making these low calorie, low carb, fluffy pancakes that I just saw on Emma's Goodies. I absolutely love her channel. I love all of the cakes and desserts she makes. So today I want to remake one of the videos that she did. All ingredients are listed down below. The only substitutions I did was I changed the sugar to a 0-calorie sweetener from the Monkfruit Lakanto brand. And instead of yogurt, I decided to use sour cream, but honestly, I forgot to use the sour cream in the mixture. But the pancakes came out fine without it. I followed her recipe to the T at first. I put the whole egg in there and I mixed it with the sugar and the vanilla extract. However, I eventually had to switch to a different method because I realized that my egg was not coming, it wasn't increasing in volume. I'm not sure what I did wrong. So what I did instead was in a different clean dry bowl, I added just the egg whites first. Then I whipped the egg whites with the sugar and then I added the vanilla extract and then I added the yolk to it, and that got my eggs to rise in volume. After you've gotten your eggs to double or triple in volume, you add your sifted flour, and at this point you would also add your yogurt or your sour cream. In a greased frying pan, I added my mixture. I only got 2.5 pancakes, but just cook them like you would regular pancakes. They don't take too long, maybe a minute on the first side and then 20 seconds on the last side. Go ahead and add whatever breakfast items you want to this. I chose eggs and avocado. However, this was made for somebody else in the house, not for me, because I am on a 1 meal a day diet, which I talked about in my previous video, and I will link it for you here if you want to watch it. All right, enjoy. Bye bye, guys.